All right, so we have got this big heavy thing out of this big heavy thing. Yeah, super cool. It was not easy, just because I had to buy a $200 tool to get it out. No, I didn't really have to. I just did because I had the excuse to buy it, but she is almost empty. The only thing left is the pinion. Been trying to find a puller, some sort of puller, I guess, to take this off. I'm still researching that. I haven't really done a whole lot of homework on it. I've been kind of busy with other things. But the next step is going to be replace the bearings on this, which are right here. Actually, no, these are not the bearings. Those are the axle bearings and seal. So I still got to buy those, and then I need to buy bearings for this. So stay tuned.